Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to make home sanitizer. With the coronavirus spreading around, people are kind of in a panic. The stores are out of hand sanitizer. So you can make your own hand sanitizer. And what you need is some alcohol, preferably a high percentage. Here I have isopropyl alcohol at 91%. You could buy an ethanol type alcohol at the hardware for cleaning, and a lot of people would overlook that source. And the other thing is I keep aloe vera for when people come and visit and they get sunburned after I tell them better cover up after 10 minutes. And so you're going to use some hand cream or the aloe vera lotion. And you want to make your hand sanitizer with a 2-to-1 ratio. 1 part hand cream, 2 part alcohol. And I'm using a soap bottle for my sanitizer. And we're going to add the aloe vera first. And from this volume, we're going to add 2/3 alcohol. So I'm going to take a note, approximate 2/3. Right there. Give it a good shake. Right there, there is your hand sanitizer. Now I keep this in my car. I wipe the steering wheel down, the door handles, and I wipe my hands after I come out of the grocery or wherever I'm at in public. I'll rinse my hands off. Good to be cautious, but not in a panic. And the remaining, I can add alcohol in here and get that out of the container. Okay, do the same thing. Take note where the volume should be. Right there, hand sanitizer. Again, 2 parts alcohol. You want a high percentage alcohol. This is 91%. 1 part hand cream, aloe vera lotion. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.